Good morning. We are going to a waterfall today. It's the first sunny day we've had in I don't even know how long. It's just been raining so much, so the waterfalls are going to be flowing strong. It's going to be so beautiful. So it's what we're doing. We thought we'd film. If you remember in the first video, Layla asked if we could film at a waterfall.
When we go to a waterfall again, maybe we will. We can. Mommy just told me that we can film it, and it's gonna be so cool.
So I just need to pack our snacks for the day. So first, I'm going to make a hot chocolate to take in our thermos. It's our waterfall tradition to take a hot chocolate, and I'll just find some other snacks around the house to pack as well.
She's a really good swimmer, and my magnifying glass to look at bugs, and it came with these tweezers to pick up some. Those tweezers.
You are the sunrise waking my day. You are the moonlight shining my way. This is where I call home.
Look what I found. It might be a seed for a tree, and I want to plant it. If I can find some. Everything that isn't connected to anything anymore, I learned that it turns into this dust kind of stuff, and then it really helps the soil.
I don't know what way to go.
Let's look at this.
Well, neither of those signs are where we're going. Let's go this way.
No, let's go that way.
Okay, well, we'll go our separate ways and see who finds it. Okay, bye! Bye! Why do we continue to wear white shoes to waterfalls? Seriously, that was unnecessary.
I'm stuck in a magic bell ring from the fairies.
You're out.
It's raining, so I have my umbrella. Oh, it's sunny. Let's go for a waterfall. Oh, look at this. Stick. Look at that.
You are the harbor set on my shore. You are the shelter from every storm. This is where I call home. When I'm lost at sea in waters unknown, you are the current pulling me close. This is where I call home. This is where I call home. Your love is like no other. Your love is where I feel alive. My safety and my shelter. Your love is
the fairy houses. Oh, spider. Hey, it turns into two trees. That is really cool.
Dark or light through the hardest fight, you'll be my home.
Hello! Did I scare you? We just passed a couple coming back and they just said that we cannot get to the waterfall today because the creek that is on the way there is too big, too dangerous to cross today. They said there's still a really nice spot to stop and have a little picnic. So we're still gonna go and we'll just have to see the waterfall another day. Gonna cross, but look, this is a perfect rock to have a picnic. Yeah. Whoa. No, you can't reach the waterfall. Well done. What? Spider. Okay. Wait, don't drink yet. Wait. Wait.
Give me all the marshmallows, please.
All the marshmallows?
Yeah.
No way, Jose. Here you go.
Wow, that's a lot. Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It was a caterpillar stuck in the water, and it's alive.
And you saved it? Oh, good job.
You are the fire, warm in my night. With you I'll stay till the morning light. This is when I call home. This is when I call home. Your love is like no other. Your love is where I feel alive. My safety and my shelter. Your love is my home. You are the heart.
got this. Yeah, Lazzy, high five! Woo! Terrible! Oh. Yeah! I have a heavy child and a heavy backpack on my back.
Well, the heavy backpack is on my back.
Can you pull my hair out?
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, so this is the current situation.
Because my ankles are sore.
Put your head on this side. Hello. Yes, her ankles are hurting apparently. Oh great. Some stairs.
Yeah. Well, good workout for you.
I've already done a workout today. Oh my gosh.
I've already done a workout today.
It seems to be tradition that we run on the way back. The way down always takes us way longer than it should, hours, and then the way back takes us like a quarter of the time.
Your love is mine.
How are you feeling? Tired? Doing good.
So we just got back and now we're going to get in the car, and on the way here I got a bit car sick on the windy road because I was reading on the windy road.
How'd you go?
Good. Well, we definitely need to get hiking shoes. My ankles are getting so sore.
We do need to get better shoes to do these adventures in, especially because we're going to start doing bigger hikes.
For me, I want to get one of those sticks like they have.
No way.
No, please.
That was a great walk. It was very, very muddy. Very muddy, wasn't it?
Yeah, look at my feet.
Very wrinkly because our shoes were soaked in mud. Again, we wore white shoes. Why did we do that? I don't know.
Good veggie chips.
No, first your mandarin and then you can have veggie chips.
Okay, veggie chips first.
No, mandarin first.
Let's do paper, scissors, rock.
No!
No, you're just scared of
Paper, scissors, rock. Haha, I know you too well. You always do scissors first. Gotta get going, got a long drive home and it's already getting dark. Ideally, I do not want to be driving on this windy road when it's dark, especially through the potholes.
Oh no, I completely forgot about the potholes. Oh, and can you show them on my drink bottle? I put unicorn stickers on them. But I'm gonna peel the mandarin.
Yeah. There's Layla's unicorn stickers.
I made them with nano.
Yep, you did. Yeah, there you go. We're on the road again.
We're on the road again.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
Yeah, me too.
Alrighty, music.
Yeah.
Hey.
I just need to like eat some mandarin. Then I'm going to have veggie chips, and then when we get home, I'm going to have dinner. Then I'm going to go to Coco's house for a sleepover. Just kidding. Oh, and also, my feet are not wrinkly at all. She was lying just then. Just kidding.
Alright, anyway, let's go.
I wish I
Could fly. I miss you like it was the very first night.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Hi. Hey Daz, you wanna go for some ride? Okay. Well, stay safe. Oh, that one has horns. Hello, don't mind us. We're just passing through. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly talk to you about the membership that I've just created. So it's on my website. You can find it when you go to the drop down menu in the top left hand corner, and then a section comes up saying become a member. So you click on that, and then there's 2 payment options. You can either pay monthly or annually. What's included in the membership is every month you will get 4 new recipes. So you'll get a new breakfast, lunch, dinner and snack recipe. You will get a new 1-week meal plan every month. You'll get a new video every month. And you'll also have access to a community of like-minded people. It's all part of my website, so you don't need to get a special app or anything like that. It's all there. You will also get a discount, a members only discount, to get 25% off any of my products, including the hard copy version of Rise and Shine. So I will be releasing new content to the membership on the 1st of every month. Next month's recipes include crepes, a sushi bowl, dal, and nuggets. The nuggets are Layla's favorite, and also the crepes, so definitely give those ones a try if you're a part of the membership. So all of the recipes and the meal plans and all the content that is added onto the membership, it is all there forever. So even if you join now, you will still get the recipes that are already on there, and even if you join in a few months time, you will still get all of those recipes and videos and meal plans from the earlier months. If you have any questions about the membership, just leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you. If you are already a member, thank you so much for joining. I'm so excited about it. I've been wanting to do something like this for a very long time, so I'm so happy that it's finally up and running and people are joining. So yes, thank you for your support, and I hope a lot more of you join as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I feel like such a YouTuber when I say that, but it really does help, so please like and subscribe and leave any comments. Let me know what videos you want in the future. I'm open to anything, cooking, adventures, chats, anything. Let me know what you want to see and I will film that. I'm trying to get videos out every week, so every Sunday I'm hoping to get a video out. Yeah, let me know what you want and I will create more of that for you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.